Welcome back. In this tutorial, like we said, we are inputting into our tracking page. So I already installed the plugin. So just in case you want to do that, let me show you. Go to plugin, add new. It's a free plugin, though it has a premium version, but it has some free stuff that we can use. The free version is cool, you can also use that, but there are some additional features that you can get if you are using the free version. So you can get introduced. So you put your keyword here to search for anything that is close to this. We have advanced shipments. So I'm going to use that. If you want to use this one, you can just click on install now. But for the free version, all these they have free version also, but the best I've seen, the one I recommend is use the WP cargo track and trace. You can see I've already installed it. It's not showing me installation, but I've already installed it. That's what I have here. That's what I have here. So all these are also shipment code that you can use, but for free version I recommend using this. It has cool features that you can use without paying for it, so you can also pay for it if you need extra features. So we'll just go straight to the shipment. This is the shipment. You want to create your tracking code, inputting your information. So this is the settings, so I can display on your site. So you go to general. So you can change any of this information, add type of shipment, shipment mode, shipment location. You can edit any of these with the dashboard, shipment carrier, DHL, yes. And now you can add shipment payment method, payment mode. So you have access to edit any of these. If you need a shipment logo, if you want logo to display on your site, you can also add them on there. So this is the track page setting. Now any page you choose here, that's where the source code will show up, and so we need to input the code on our track page so that the source code will be there. And you can also do it your own way. Just simply copy this code, Ctrl+C, copy it, just in case the code didn't show up on the track page. You're supposed to show up if you already click on you already selected track page, so the track code is supposed to show on that page by default. But you can also copy that and paste it on the track page yourself. You can do that yourself. Font family. So all these are just dimensions, shipment number format. So you can just use the shipment number profit. So what you have here will be added to the number that will be created. So this will be the end of the number. So some random number will be at the middle. So shipment number of digit 12, you can include that, you can reduce it. So you can just set this environment the way you want it to be. And you click on save. So you can go straight to the page to go and check if the code is already there. If it's not there, you just, since I've already copied it, I will just paste it there. Okay, I can see the code is already here. So the phone for us to paste the code, so it's automatic. You can see this is the URL, so we will list that. So once you open your track page, which is this URL, you will see this code there. So you can see the already shown to refresh that to see the other changes that you need to make. Okay, this is your tracking number here. Once you put any number you track, that is the number that you have to put number from the dashboard. No result found. That means this number does not exist. So in order for you to track any product, it needs to be created by the admin on the dashboard so that you can track what they are sending to you. So we are done with that. Okay, let's create our shipment. Let's add shipment. Once you add your shipment, you automatically get your tracking code. So you can send your tracking code to your client. This is the tracking code. Like I said, this is the profits and this is the surface. These are the number that is randomly created for each of the file you create. For each item you are tracking, it automatically generates number in between this line. This is the profits and this is the surface. So shipment name, let's just type anything just for it. So once we are done with this page, once we save this item that we are shipping to someone. So this is the code you're going to send to that person. So that's going to track what you have here. So the items, so let's number, just type in the receiver number. You can put the original information there, address, email, okay. You can put address there, put the receiver's information, and just put the information there, shipment, air freight, van, there is air freight. The weight is 30.3, package. So you can just quality. So you can put any of the information, so what you are sending to the person to cash. Let's use US. You can create any reference number here. Departure time, and just set any time here. We're going to Angola, pick up the pick up time should be now. Let's carry the comment. So we can set the quality, the length, the height, weight. So you can just add package, or you can delete that if you don't want to add. So let's just add, let's see,